Today, our guest of honor is Jabir Ibn Hayyan, the legend. Jabir Ibn Hayyan, often called the father of chemistry, was a pioneering Muslim scholar of the 8th–9th century. He lived during the Islamic Golden Age and worked in Kufa, Iraq. Jabir wrote hundreds of treatises on alchemy, chemistry, medicine, astronomy, and philosophy. His works introduced concepts like the sulfur-mercury theory of metals and systematic experimentation. Many of his writings were translated into Latin, influencing European science under the name Jabir. He laid the foundations for modern chemistry by emphasizing observation, experimentation, and classification. Jabir Ibn Hayyan is credited with a vast corpus of around 215 treatises, mainly on alchemy, chemistry, philosophy, and esoteric sciences. Jabir Ibn Hayyan authored the Jabirian Corpus, a collection of hundreds of works on alchemy and natural philosophy. His writings include the Book of the Kingdom, the Book of the Balance, and the Book of Stones, which explore chemical processes and metaphysical ideas. He emphasized the sulfur-mercury theory of metals, laying foundations for later chemical thought. His works also delve into magic, astrology, and Shiite religious philosophy, blending science with mysticism. Latin translations, such as Summa Perfectionis, spread his influence to medieval Europe under the name Jabir. How Jabir Ibn Hayyan influenced later European alchemists and chemists. Transmission through Latin translations. His works, especially Summa Perfectionis, were translated into Latin and became foundational texts in medieval Europe under the name Jabir. Impact on European alchemy. He shaped the sulfur-mercury theory of metals, which dominated alchemical thought for centuries. Influence on scientific method. Jabir emphasized experimentation and careful observation, inspiring European scholars to move toward systematic chemistry. Legacy in Renaissance science. Thinkers like Albertus Magnus and Roger Bacon drew upon Jabir's writings, blending mystical philosophy with practical chemical processes. Bridge to modern chemistry. His corpus helped transition alchemy into proto-chemistry, paving the way for later figures like Paracelsus and Robert Boyle. In short, Jabir wasn't just an alchemist. He was a catalyst for the birth of modern science.